In this video, we will review about Horraco 9 port managed switch. The Horraco 9 port switch offers an affordable solution for users needing features like VLANs and port forwarding. While unboxing, it reveals the switch, power adapter, Ethernet cables, and a quick start guide. Setup begins by powering on the switch and connecting your device to the 8GB Ethernet ports and one uplink port. To configure access the switch web interface via its default IP address, where you can set up VLANs for network segmentation and enable port forwarding for traffic management. It is a great budget option for small business or home networks requiring advanced control. So we can say that it is the best budget Horraco managed switch with 9 port. This was it about Horraco managed switch with 9 port. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.